What is up, App Nation? It is yo boy, Steve P. Young, founder of appmasters.com. Today, I want to share with you some examples of app install ads that are crushing it from these bigger companies and how you can leverage some of the winning elements of a great app install ad to lower your CPIs, cost per installs, and dramatically improve your conversions. Now, I'm going to be summarizing this great blog post that CleverTap put together. It is called 14 app install ads that are winning the user acquisition game. And as you can see, it is a great blog post with great examples. And lastly, this amazing infographic that they put together. So this blog post is linked up in the description below. So definitely check that out. But I wanted to digest all this information for you and give you my top tips from this blog post that I can speak to from a personal experience as well. So here's my top 4 tips from that amazing blog post. Number 1, when you're using ads, incentivize them with a coupon code. It works really well. Here's what Postmates has been doing really well is giving away $100 in delivery credit by using the code E19. Now here you can see it's an Apple search ads example, but they're bidding on food delivery, and within their screenshots, because that's the only thing you can really leverage with search ads, they're using that coupon code as the second screenshot. This is a great way to leverage that coupon code element and get people to 1, install your app, and 2, to obviously convert and become a customer. There's no better way to do it than with a coupon code. Number 2, this is something that I've heard from past virtual summit guests, and it is to keep your ad super simple. Now, when you're running video ads, I've covered this in the past, it's keeping your message anywhere from 3 to 5 seconds, that simple. And here's an example from Sideline, who I'm gonna be analyzing their app as well. But it says 2 numbers, 1 phone. So simple. Now, they might be able to add some social proof here, which is what I'll get into the next point. But at the same time, it's a clear proposition on what the app does. They're not saying anything else with all the different features. It's just super simple type of messaging. And that's what you need to do when you're running ads now. People have short attention spans now. So you just gotta hit them with a 1-2 punch and just keep your messaging super simple and super short. The next point is utilize social proof. And here's what RoboKiller does. One of my favorite apps, actually, in past podcast guests. RoboKiller is using a common problem. So what they do is they block unwanted calls. So they've got a huge database and they'll block it. And I love it. I actually don't get any calls anymore, or very few. It's because RoboKiller is blocking a majority of those spam calls that are coming into my phone. And here's what they did. They leveraged the fact that they were on this news channel, which resulted in over 46,000 likes and 9,000 retweets. Then the other thing I want to point out too, and it was a tip within this blog post, is to use the install call to action so that people know what to do. It's not learn more. It's not anything like that. It is install. So once they click it, they know they're going to the App Store. It's a great way to sort of leverage and get them thinking about installing the app. Now, on the point of social proof, if you look at RoboKiller's screenshots in the App Store, you're gonna see that they do an amazing job of really leveraging that social proof. And we've done that with previous clients as well. And we've seen double the downloads just by having social proof within your screenshots. So definitely leverage social proof everywhere that you possibly can, because it does really work. And the last point is let your visuals inform functionality. So this works for Instagram ads. This works for playable ads. Is how do you get people to sort of see how your app works without having to really use a lot of words? And so it works great when you want to show off some of your features like Albert is doing right now. It's saying, hey, here's a text message. This is how our app works. You can respond to that text message and our AI will respond right back to you. Or when you're promoting a game, it's using a playable ad so that people can experience your game without having to download it. All right, that was it. They've got 14 different examples on that CleverTap blog post. So definitely check it out. It is linked up in the YouTube description. That's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up and don't forget to leave a comment below with some of the content that you want to see from me. And lastly, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Show me some love. All right, until then, or actually, share this video. If you got anything out of it, share some of this content with your friends on social media. Tag me. It's just at Steve P. Young everywhere on social media. But tag me, try to share it with a friend. Do me a solid, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace. Click the top video if you want to see more Instagram marketing hacks, and click the bottom video to see a playlist of all our Apple search ads videos.